Well, what's that? Do the upper one again?
Is that the wheel bearing?
Yeah.
I say it feels like a wheel bearing more than that.
Yeah.
Okay, now watch this. Maybe the use line? Did both front and rear. The drive shaft.
Just oil tech it and grease the whole fucking thing. All good.
Yeah. That's exactly right.
There.
I don't think she's solid anymore. You see that right here? The whole drivetrain can bounce around. That might be our sound. Yeah, I can see. Watch the whole. I can get the whole drive line. Is it? The bolts are loose?
Bolt's missing. It's missing a bolt. Or not.
Well, that might help.
Yeah, that was.
How this? Wonder what the threads are like. Does it rip out or is it just missing? Oh, it might come loose. But the mount does.
Yeah.
Like, see between the
Up in here and the hook.
the rubber and the metal. Like, watch there. It actually separates.
No, yeah, definitely separated there, right? Yeah.
Train mount. And the other one's probably loose.
That kit,
But when I pry up on it, the training mount separates from the bottom metal itself.
Yeah.
So it's been kind of clunking around there. So I'm guessing that's what it is. Maybe that's the whole noise, because I was in there and I took the whole
Probably said it's only on light acceleration or in between
and see, I could take the whole, I could lift the whole engine and everything. I move it all over the place.
Thank you. I think it's the same as 13 personally from the look of
Wow.
it, because as soon as you jump to a 14, this is what it looks like. So it's still the same thing. But then if you go to here, I'm gonna order this one because I think it's right. Just 48574.
Is it just maybe the distance between the bolts? Definitely look like the 13.
Yep.
Okay, you're gonna rip it out. Removing the tranny mount.
And they have to order one?
Yeah, there's one on its way up. So hopefully it's the right one. It doesn't look terrible, but it was obviously loose, or the bolt started to take off. Just it wasn't tight.
Get some?
Let's see. Oh,
That was quick.
no, don't go.
So all good? Got her all tightened up?
I just gotta put the mounting bolts on and gonna bring viewership up with a hoist fail and it breaks and truck flips sideways. That'd be awesome. Yeah, it'd be better because that way,
I've heard of it
if you don't hear it, then it's gone.
It's gonna be a lot
But
of
there was some play in the upper and lower ball joint on the right side.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
and
don't
a
think
touch,
that
a
was
touch of play in in that left.
Yeah.
That's
What a big boat.
don't hear nothing now.